Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. But right now, I want you to listen very carefully because this might be the most important video you watch all year. And I'm not saying this to be dramatic. I'm saying it because you are losing something every single day and you don't even realize it. You are losing your brain, not to a disease, but to a slow, quiet decay. You're letting your mind grow weaker, slower, and older because you've stopped challenging it. You scroll for hours. You repeat the same boring routine. You avoid anything that feels uncomfortable. And then you wonder, why am I forgetting things? Why do I feel so dull? It's because your brain is starving for growth. If you don't train it like a muscle, you will slowly become a zombie, awake but not truly alive. In this video, I'm going to give you the 16 most powerful habits to keep your brain young. And here's the best part. This video is also a workout for your English. While you learn to protect your mind, you'll be improving your listening and confidence right here at English Adda. Let's rebuild your brain from the inside out. 1. The non-dominant hand challenge. Most of us live on autopilot. When you brush your teeth or eat with your right hand, if you're a righty, your brain is basically asleep. The detail: switch to your left hand. It feels awkward, right? That's because you're forcing your brain to create new neural pathways. You are literally building new bridges between the left and right sides of your brain. It's the fastest way to trigger neuroplasticity. 2. Seek voluntary discomfort. Comfort is a slow death for your intellect. If you never do anything hard, your brain's willpower center shrinks. The detail: do one thing every day that you hate doing. Waking up at 5 a.m., studying when you're tired, or speaking English even when you're terrified of making a mistake. When you push through that pain, your brain releases chemicals that make it stronger and more resilient. 3. The 30-minute digital blackout. Your phone is a slot machine. Every scroll is a hit of dopamine that fries your focus. The detail: for 30 minutes a day, turn everything off. No music, no YouTube, no notifications. This forced boredom forces your brain to stop reacting to outside noise and start thinking for itself again. It moves your mind from consumption mode to creation mode. 4. Sleep in a sensory vacuum. Sleep isn't just off time. It's when your brain flushes out toxins. But if there's a tiny light or a buzzing phone, your brain stays in a state of high alert. The detail: you need a cave. Total darkness. Zero sound. When you sleep in a sensory vacuum, your brain enters deep REM sleep, where it repairs your memory and resets your emotional clock. 5. Nature immersion. No tech allowed. The sounds of a city keep your stress hormones, cortisol, high. The detail: go to a park or a forest. Leave your phone in the car. Just listen to the wind. This isn't spiritual talk, it's biology. Nature walks lower your heart rate and allow your prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for high-level thinking, to recover from the exhaustion of modern life. 6. Read friction books. If you only read what is easy, you aren't learning. You're just scrolling on paper. The detail: Pick up a book that is actually hard to read. A book on philosophy, high-level science, or classic literature. When you have to read a sentence 3 times just to understand it, that friction is your brain cells connecting. If it's easy, it's useless. 7. The 60-second memory fight. Google has made our memories weak. We've outsourced our intelligence to a search engine. The detail: next time you forget a name, a movie, or a fact, do not Google it. Fight for it. Close your eyes and dig through your mind for at least 60 seconds. Even if you don't find the answer, the act of searching your own internal hard drive keeps your memory sharp. 8. Be the stupidest person in the room. Your ego wants you to look like an expert, but experts stop growing. The detail: start a new hobby where you're a total beginner. Learn a new language here at English Adda. Try a new sport or learn to code. Being a beginner forces your brain to produce myelin, a fatty substance that makes your brain's signals travel faster. 9. Depth over surface, deep talk. Small talk is mental junk food. How are you? I'm Phoenix. It means nothing. The detail: start asking dangerous questions. Ask people about their failures, their fears, or what they truly believe in. Deep conversation requires complex emotional processing. It keeps your brain socially sharp and prevents you from becoming a social robot. 10. Violent routine disruption. This same-day loop is a brain killer. If your brain knows exactly what is going to happen next, it goes to sleep. The detail: change everything. Take a different road to work. Move the furniture in your bedroom. Brush your teeth in the shower. By changing your environment, you force your brain to notice the world again. Surprise is the fuel for a young mind. 11. The protege effect. Teaching. The best way to learn isn't to read, it's to teach. The detail: take one thing you learned today and explain it to someone else, your brother, a friend, or even your mirror. To teach, your brain has to simplify and organize the information. This turns a temporary thought into a permanent memory. 12. Strategic gaming. Stop playing mindless mobile games that just want your money. The detail: play games that require logic and foresight. Chess, Sudoku, or real-time strategy games. These games force you to think 3 steps ahead. They train your brain to calculate risks and rewards, which is a high-level executive function. 13. Intermittent fasting for focus. When your stomach is full, your brain is sluggish. Digestion takes a massive amount of energy. The detail: try staying hungry for a few hours. When you fast, your brain produces BDNF, which is like miracle grow for your brain cells. You'll find that when you're slightly hungry, your focus becomes sharp as a knife. 14. The power of brain writing. Brainstorming in a group is often just loud people talking. The detail: set a timer for 10 minutes. Take a pen and paper and write down every single thought that comes to your head about a specific problem. Don't stop. Don't edit. This flow state allows you to bypass your logical mind and tap into your creative subconscious. 15. The vagus nerve reset. Cold showers. Warm showers are for comfort. Cold showers are for warriors. The detail: ending your shower with 30 seconds of ice-cold water shocks your vagus nerve. This nerve controls your stress response. By forcing yourself to stay calm while the water is freezing, you are training your brain to stay calm during a crisis. 16. The weekly memorization ritual. Your brain's hard drive is getting empty because you store everything on a cloud. The detail: memorize one poem, one verse, or one powerful quote every week. This isn't just about the words. It's about the discipline of holding information. A brain that can memorize is a brain that can focus. These 16 habits are not easy. They are raw. They're uncomfortable, and they require work. But that is exactly why they work. Your brain is the most powerful tool you own. Don't let it rust. Don't let it fade away while you scroll through someone else's life. Start today. Pick one habit and master it. If you found this helpful and want to continue your journey of growth in language mastery, make sure to subscribe to English Adda. We aren't here to entertain you. We are here to help you transform, build a stronger mind, speak a better language. Let's do this together.